James with OnlineCarShow.net. Well, we've got a double feature for y'all today. We've got the Petrolbox unboxed for the month, and we've got some more LED lights for the car. So without hesitation, let's go ahead and get this video started. Well, as the title states, we've got kind of a double action feature for you today. We've got the LED lights. I'm going to put in the license plate, or that light up the license plate, if you will, in the back of the car. And we're going to be unboxing this month's Petrolbox. Before I get there, just want to go over events. As I mentioned, I'm sure y'all are tired of hearing this one. We've got Serious Wheels Car Show coming up November 7th, put on by Corvette Owners Club of Houston. It's an open car show, not just Corvettes. Just so y'all don't miss any of that upcoming content, and to help my video to grow, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe below. I can't say thank you enough. I'm going to save the LED lights for the later half of the video, and let's go ahead and begin unboxing the Petrolbox. All right, before we get to the contents of the box, what is a Petrolbox? Well, Petrolbox is a car enthusiast box. You sign up, you get in the mail every month. It's got, you know, random swag, car tools, car cleaning products, all kinds of good stuff, gloves. You simply go to their website, fill out, you know, a couple questions. What, you know, glove size are you, what shirt size, and then what size box you want. This is the premium box, by the way, we're unlocking in the video, or unboxing in the video. There's also a really cool contest or giveaway attached to each one of these boxes. If you open up the box and there's a golden ticket inside, you get a free set of wheels for your car from Roadieform. So really cool contest there. Let's see what is in the box. All right, well, we're greeted with a special thank you for your support. Special thank you for your support, Petrolbox. And on the back here, we've got the monthly box contents. It's just going to give you a list of what all's in the box and how you can get more of their products and the websites associated. First off, I'm greeted with this bright green brush. And I'm guessing this is a body brush, but you can use this on tires and so forth, undercarriage, wheel wells. This is a great little brush to put in everywhere like that, especially cleaning tires. I'm guessing, yep, the car product this month looks like is HD wheel and tire cleaner, in combination, of course, with the Jax Wax wheel and tire. So really cool there. We've also got the spray nozzle, of course, for the Jax Wax, and we've got a toolbox widget. Modular tool organizing system, really cool. So you can put that in the drawer and it locks in all your screwdrivers and stuff, keeping them organized. Let's see what this looks like a little more. Okay, it's actually two. I was worried about that. I was like, that isn't a very big box. And it looks like they all come apart so you can organize them any which way. I'm not sure what these things are on the end. Maybe just spacers. Yeah, these are spacers you can put in between. So really cool. You can build it however you need it in your toolbox, and you know, organize all your screwdrivers, whatnot. Really cool. Great idea there, Petrolbox. And my toolbox is always a mess, so it will need this. Oh, real quickly, one thing I did notice while I was messing with these, the back of them looks to be magnetic. So if you have a metal toolbox, it'll actually stick in there, and I'm guessing it'll help the screwdriver stick down as well. And let's see what else we've got. Looks like we've got a toolbox widget sticker, maybe. Yeah, came with a sticker for your toolbox widget. It took me a while to realize what this was, but I think this is actually air freshener from Petrolbox. You can see their logo on the front there, little focus. I didn't quite know what it was, and then I popped the top on it, and there's these little air fresheners in there. So I think what you do is you put that, connect that to your AC vent. It just clips right on with the logo out like that, and as air goes through these little holes, it pushes them out. And we've got the Candy of the Month, which is a mystery flavored Dum Dum. Love Dum Dum suckers. Really cool there. And I'll see what flavor I got. Ooh, we've got the sticker this month. Petrolbox has been working with this company, Snake Oil Elixir, on Instagram. They make these really kick-ass stickers for your toolbox, different racing teams, cars, etc. I've got a whole host of them on my toolbox, so we'll get this on. Ooh, and we've got kind of a Halloween colored pen from Petrolbox with a little Petrolbox logo on the bottom there. Really cool. So I've got a Petrolbox pen now. Really cool. Oh, I see. It actually matches the livery of the race car. And let's see, we've got subscriber of the month. I'll go ahead and skip to it. I usually leave it for last, but let's go ahead and go to it. We've got a F350 or 450, I'm guessing here. One of the two. Heavy duty. Some big 20-inch rims, it looks like, on it too. Decked out old custom truck. Subscriber of the month is Travis Brown, and that's August 2020. And let's see what we've got for the shirt in here that I've been having staring at me this whole time. It's got kind of cursive style writing, Petrolbox on the front. Oh man, this is their best. This is my favorite shirt yet. And then it's got 2016 Drive More. Maybe that's when Petrolbox was formed, I don't know. But it's got Petrolbox 2016, Petrolbox Drive More. I love that flaming gas can logo there. That's really cool. I will definitely be wearing that to some shows. Great job this month. We got really useful stuff, a really cool shirt that I definitely will wear. We've got a tire brush. We've got a wheel and tire cleaner from Jack's Wax. Of course, we've got the subscriber of the month and his furred truck. And we've got the renowned livery race car. We've also got a Petrolbox pen, a candy of the month, a Dum Dum mystery flavor. We've got a sticker for our Toolbox widget, Petrolbox air freshener to stick on the vent, and of course the Toolbox widget with all the little modular tool organizers for the toolbox. Excellent month there, guys. All this stuff is useful. Well, as you can tell, Petrolbox is it's an awesome box. I love receiving it in the mail every month. As I say all the time, it's like Christmas every month of the year. It truly does have a something useful in every single box. I found out about a ton of car products from them, different tools, ways to organize my toolbox and organize my workflow even. So be sure to go check them out. That's mypetrolbox.com. You be sure to use the code below. I think it's OCS, and you'll save 10% off your first box. So let's go ahead and get on to the LED lights and put these in the car. As I've said, before in the previous videos, LED lights we've incorporated in all aspects of our lives, whether it be our home, our office. Bulbs are on the way out and LED lights are on the way in. They're more efficient with power, and you can actually get a true white and a brighter light, luminescence, whatever you want to call it. The biggest thing I like is just, I hate seeing that ugly orange color you get from bulbs on the car. It's so much cleaner looking having the LED lights. So let's go ahead and get these installed. All right, well, before we dive too deep into installing these on the car, let's just take a look at what we got in the bag here. Bag inside of the bag. It's kind of funny, and the other one was ziplocked and this one isn't. But all right. You'll notice these are black in color. They must be by this Mars Auto Group. They actually seem really good quality compared to some I've seen in the past. And looks like you get, 10 of them? So we got 10 LED lights. I don't know, it was $8 or $9. And these did seem to have pretty good ratings. So let's see how they look on the car. All right, well, I did already do one side just to show y'all the before and after before we get through the install. You can see this is a lot more true white over here. This is the after. Here's the before with the incandescent bulb. Big difference. You got, an orangish color to a true white. Looks so much better. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you all how to do this. It's really simple. You just do want to be careful because you are gonna be pulling the light unit out. You don't want to scratch your paint or anything like that. The only tool you are gonna need, I used a little shorty Phillips head screwdriver. All right, I think y'all got a good view there. So there's just 2 Phillips head screws on each side. Simply gonna unscrew them. Carefully, don't scratch your paint. All right, so both of our screws are out. Got them put aside where we won't lose them. I'm gonna go ahead and mess with this light until we can get there. Workable spot on. What I did is I twisted it to where the connection side was facing toward me, and then I just found a spot where it wasn't pulling so tight, and that's not a good spot there. But you just kind of have to work with it, and you'll eventually find that spot that it will kind of just come through without pulling too bad. You don't want to mess up your paint. There we go. Alright, so once you get it out, simply twist it. That releases it. This bulb's probably hot. Yep. So now we're just going to, and I just leave the power on so I know which way it's going. Plug it in. That was the correct way right off the bat, but let's say you did plug it in the other way. Oh, that way worked too. Weird. Usually only one way works with this style light, but I guess it doesn't with this style connection. So there you go, really bright light. So we're gonna go ahead and twist back on the cover and then try working this sucker back in. Yeah, there it goes. Well, I say that. There it goes. All right. So, back in. Now for the fun part. You got to get these screws lined up with the hole. And you kind of just have to eyeball it from on bottom. But what I found is you can just kind of push them through and twist. As long as you're in the hole, they'll eventually bite. That one's good. Now we can work on the other one. It's in the hole. All right. So take our little shorty Phillip, screw her down. You do not want to over tighten. This is just plastic it's screwing into, so you do want it where it won't move around on you. Just kind of nudge it past tight. There you go. All done. True white look on it now. So much better looking. There you have it. Literally 4 screws, back of your car with the Phillips, couple bucks, and you've got LED license plate lights. Really cool. That'll look clean at night. Which y'all can see, that's a freaking simple install, not much to it. Easy to do. You're gonna get a ton of extra lights in the bag, so you have plenty of replacements or bulbs to give to your buddies, whatever. But thank y'all so much again for watching my videos. Be sure again to hit that like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Thank you all for watching. I hope everybody has a wonderful week.